Hey guys. Okay, so if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I don't wear false eyelashes. It's just not my thing. Just not my thing for a few reasons. I don't know, for everyday look for me and what I do, I just go to work. I think it's a bit too much. The few times I have tried them, I feel like I can't. It's just like covers my sight. Like I'm like, I don't know. It's too much on me. I feel like. The idea of putting glue on my eye kind of freaks me out. I'm not gonna lie. And then pulling them off, like the whole idea of false eyelashes, just kind of, I don't know. It freaks me out. So, but then like I look at YouTubers and I see when they put falsies on. Bam! It's just like, wow, their look looks so complete and beautiful. So would I love to know how to do it? Sure. But, you know, every time I do it, it's kind of a fail. But that's okay, because a few weeks ago, I was getting my oil changed in my car, and I'm going through Instagram, and this ad comes up for false eyelashes, and I'm like, for magnetic eyelashes. And I thought, well, maybe, you know, let's try it out. Let's see how that looks. And I'm like, oh, I'll do a video on it. So I ordered magnetic lashes. And I'm gonna see if I can do this. Okay, so I just opened it. It's Magnetic Lashes Professional Eyelash. I don't know if that's the name brand. So I really don't know much about eyelashes, I'm not gonna lie. Just about my own. Okay, so it comes in this little dome compact kind. It has a little instruction card. Okay, it has a little instruction card. Let's see. Remove lashes. Hold top lash. I want to read the instructions first so I know what to do. Okay, so there's 4 lashes in all. Remove lashes from the container, obviously. Hold top lash position. Leave it without blinking. Place bottom lash. Instant volume and length. Okay, so I've seen, of course, when I decided I'm going to do a video on this, all of a sudden I saw all these videos go up about magnetic lashes. It's like, okay, I got this a while ago and I just haven't done it yet, but so I hope you're not bored of these videos, but let's try them, because I'm like kind of a moron when it comes to putting falsies on. So let's see if I could do this, okay? This is how it comes, okay? Now I'm gonna have to get close up. Okay, so I know I can't use this to put them together because it'll be a magnet against this. Yeah, see? So, oh wait, are they all the same? Let me just see, I don't know if they're all the same. I guess, how do I know what's the top and what's the bottom? I don't know. I think they all look the same. So, let's just try this. Oh, okay, so I'm looking at where the so the magnet is like on the top of the lash, whereas, okay, I'm gonna just try my fingers. I think there's nothing. My eye makeup is a little messy now, but okay. So, do that without blinking. Good. Okay, and now I gotta put this. Oh, I felt it connect. Ow, it hurts me. Why is it? Okay, sorry, but I thought I was just gonna look at my eye right now. That hurt so bad, and I don't even think it went in. It was like pinching me. I think it was pinching my eyelid. Oh no. Am I gonna be a failure on do this. I can't even do this. And what is it? Is there one on it? Well, they're both here. I can't even disconnect them. That's how tight. Oh my God. What? Where's the other? Wait a minute. So confused right now. I can't disconnect this now. Oh my God, what is happening here? I'm so disappointed. I can't even, okay, here we go. I like don't know if I want to do that again, I'm not gonna lie. That hurt so bad. Did I put it too close to my eye maybe? It was like pinching, something was pinching and I couldn't pull it off and I'm like scared to do it again, I'm not gonna lie. Let me just see what it looks like with one. I know I can't do it with one, but oh my God, I'm scared. I'm like seriously scared to do this again. Look, I'm crying. I don't want to do it. Actually, I'm not gonna put, wait, where's the directions? Okay, I think I had the, I thought the two magnets should be together, but I think that they shouldn't be. I think the magnet part should not touch the other magnet part. I think that's why it hurt. Because there's a little like tiny little red mark. There's a tiny little red mark and I'm assuming that's where the magnet is. And it looks like, no. Yeah, I think the magnet should be on the top. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm gonna do this again. Okay. This is it. After this, I'm not doing it again. I'm scared. Not worth it. Now I'm just like scared to put it near my eye. Maybe I could stop. Oh, you know what? What? Yeah, that's fine. Alright, bye. Yeah, get the bread. Gotta get the bread. Bye. So I saw a video on this, and I just remembered it. And if it works, I really wish I remembered her name because I would love to give her credit, but I don't know if it's gonna work. She said it's better to cut them into threes. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that. So in between each magnet, because I really don't care if I run these or not, I'm gonna cut in between each magnet. I don't know where that just went, but okay. Let's just try it. What the heck? Like, how do you lose that? How can I lose that? Oh, here it is. It magnetized to the left, okay. So, and then she said it's easier to do it that way with just pieces first. So let's see if that's true. I'll start with the edges. Okay. That was one big piece. I mean, you need like an hour to figure this out. Okay. One. Come on. No. This is impossible. Sorry. It's just not worth it. Unless you know what you're doing, which I'm sure all of you do, except for me. Okay. I should have bought the tool because it did have a tool. I did have a tool. Okay. Let me get it this time. Those are my patients. Turns it around. Come on. Why? I think I got a piece. No? No. I didn't. Oh, God. Let's try in the middle. I can't do it. It's not even there. It's not even there. And that's that. Not doing it. I'm done. And there you have it. So, I'm sorry guys. I couldn't do it. I could not do it. I feel like it's a failure for me, and it could be me. I'm sure you guys could do this instantly. I, however, will never wear false eyelashes because I don't know how to do it. And honestly, I don't care, because did I love the way it looked anyway on? For that 1 second that I had it on. Should I try the other eye? Okay, I'll try the other one. I'm like dropping them. No. Sorry. It's got no patience. Not happening. Okay, well, maybe my daughters will do it. And if they do it, I'll let you know. But that's definitely a fail for me. And I'm done. I'm not going to sit here for 3 hours trying to put false eyelashes on. So, yeah, I tried. Kind of disappointed because I was really hoping I have an option with having nicer full eyelashes, but I'm just gonna have to do with what I got. So that's it. And oh, look terrible. But sorry guys, that was kind of a failure of a video. And apologies, but it just didn't work for me. And if you're like me and you don't have any patience, I don't know. I mean, it did come with something. So maybe if I bought that extra piece, but then again, it probably wouldn't have worked. And then I'd be more mad because I spent more money. So, I don't know. I don't even know what name brand this is. Like, it's just called Magnetic Lashes. Like, is the name brand Magnetic Lashes? Magnetic Lash Cosmetics. Sorry guys. It could very well be me, but I'm out. So that's it. So now I really I need to find some great mascaras. Although I do have a lot of good ones. And I'll just run that by you since this is an eyelash tutorial. Not really, because I didn't teach you anything. But Total Temptation by Maybelline, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. For the price, even better. I love Gigi Hadid mascara, fiber mascara. I save that for when I'm going out to add some more fibers. Just have to wash it a little extra because it's like they're everywhere. Obviously, Better Than Sex everyone loves, but I don't even purchase this anymore because it's so much more pricier, and I don't know, the other ones are so much better. And L'Oreal Lash Paradise, love, love, love. My three favorites right here. You know, Better Than Sex is one of my favorites, but for the price, these guys right here, my favorite. Lashes look great, so that's what I use, and that's what I'm going to continue to use. And I'm not going to do the false eyelashes because I can't do them. So hope you guys have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and yeah, give me a thumbs up, or you'll probably want to give me a thumbs down because I really didn't succeed in this video, so I apologize, but it was interesting, to say the least. Okay, see ya.